So we have come to one more project that is prepared by Group A or Group B. Group B most probably, Group B of class 8. They have prepared something that they will explain now. Kindly tell us what they have prepared. First let us see what is this. Okay, please.
Sir, this is a ultrasonic sensor which will detect. So this is an ultrasonic sensor which will detect the train coming on that particular track, and it will show this there, which can avoid train accidents. Sir.
So what's
So like you can see the.
oh, this is showing. Oh,
Yes,
this is
sir.
showing this one. So which one is actually working? These very sensors.
Yes, sir.
So these sensors are objectifying, identifying the particles,
Yes,
objects
sir.
in front of them.
Coming on that
Immediately
particular.
sending signal.
Yes,
so
sir.
this red one is the signal. Is
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Even I am putting my finger here, that is also taken.
Yes, sir.
Even I am putting my finger there, that is also taken here.
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Very good.
Now label this one. I prepared. So this is another project that is Group A of class 8. Kindly explain what is this?
We have made 3 projects on tsunami. First is the formation. First is the formation.
Second is this model of the tsunami, and third is the detector of the tsunami. So how does this work? When 2 blades will be inside the water, it will start beeping. For example, I'll turn on this switch.
Oh, the water level increases,
Yeah.
immediately there will be a signal.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
to
The
avoid
more
the
the
people.
water.
And this one?
And this is the formation, how the tsunami occurs. How tsunami is formed under the water. Here, when the tectonic plates shift,
Yeah.
it pushes a large amount of water upwards.
So
And-
collision is, there is a
Yeah.
collision here,
Yes, sir.
and due to collision, one earthquake point, that is the a point that is
The
most probably
epicenter.
is the focus or epicenter.
Yes, sir.
From there, it is causing that entire tremor or vibration. Excellent, very good.
Right.
And these are the certain art and crafts prepared by class 8, not for sale. Other things they can purchase, and nominal cost these are sold. There are certain things are there, like you can have paperweights here, fridge magnets are there. These are fridge magnets, as you can see here. And at the back of it, magnets are pasted. This magnet in market costs 5 rupees, and the decoration is of top notch. You can see different types of things are there. Excellent work of art. This is a kind of flower business probably. And these paintings are excellent. Excellent. So here we have some little birds with us. They have also prepared, not certain, you can call it plenty of items, plenty of things they have prepared.
We have filled 2 things.
Already you have sold 2 things. Excellent. Now you may ask why these things are sold at nominal price. So the children should know that value of work, the hard work they have given for these things, the idea, the implementation, all together it has come into an effect. So there are certain flower basket you can see the diyas here, all are separated. During this festive season, you all need this. These are the certain chains, I think bracelets. These are.
No, this is not bracelet.
So we are moving forward to the next project, this class. This class 3, they are too young, and they have made a volcano, active dormant, active volcano. So they are saying this is active volcano. Does it work? Have you shown everyone? So I will not ask them to show it once more. They have already shown. This is an active volcano that erupts, and here you can see the rotating model. I think the reddish one is the sun. Blue is our blue planet Earth, and along with that we have moon. So what they are showing here, they will explain in short.
This is rotation and revolution of Earth. Earth, there is day, and while the opposite one, it is night. And when it is like this, we can see red moon.
Thank you, very nice. Now this is the project that is I think one of the groups of class 6. There is he is putting some chemical, not chemicals, it's Eno. They are adding Eno into this one. Oh my God! This volcano erupts, truly erupts, as you can see. The bubble comes out. But even look at the entire part. It's beautiful. Lava is coming out. Magma is coming out when it will get solidified later. And from the igneous rock, some veins are there. They have pulses. They have rice, paddy actually. They have masoor dal, moong dal, and other different kinds of. They have sugar also. And here they have different types of pulses. There are certain more projects are there which I could not showcase. These water cycles that they have shown. I would like to show you the other decoration that they have prepared that went out of the focus. But the decoration should be something that we should appreciate. Here is a flower vase. That another class 6, I think. This one, yes. This is also class 6. 2 students are there. Other students will come in course of time. And would you kindly come out to show this artifact here? Who has made this one? There is the, one minute, I will come back, 1 second. This is the replica of our school, which is in St. Paul's International School. The flowers, the trees, and the school itself. Beautiful piece of work. And this is class 6, another group, they have prepared something very beautiful. One handicraft. And certain pictures they have pasted here. These are handmade. These are, we locally call it chair bhar. We call it cooler in Hindi. I'm speaking in Bengali now. It is chai sa beautiful. And as you can see, this is a musical instrument. As you can see, mridangam. These are some bracelets they have bought. As you can see, these are excellent craftsmanship. Thank you, class 6. Once more.
So photo can take some.
I'll take it. Now here certain cycles are there. Then one group will come and they'll demonstrate in course of time. And here we are in class 3. Hopefully this is class 3 or 4. Class 4, pardon. I am in class 4 group. Now, so here you can see this class 4 students, they have prepared certain things, handicraft. This is also class 4. This is a continuation of the class 4 group. Excellent, beautiful piece of work. As you can see, I just would like to show something out of this one. Just show you the folds here. Just look at the fold and the hard work it has taken. How many layers are there? One, if I count one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't have the patience to count, so you can understand how neat and cleanly these things are made. Not something they sat and did, it's something that dedication you can see here. The reflection of the dedication. What is this? Can you explain?
This is rainwater harvesting.
Rainwater harvesting.
Yes, sir.
Please speak louder.
Rainwater harvesting this.
Yeah?
When we on this switch, when we on this switch, water will come out from there. The water is coming out.
So water will not be wasted.
Yes.
So any message that you want to give? Together you stand and tell the message. Save water. So you want to say what? Save water.
Yes,
Speak
sir.
it loud and clear.
We want to say that everyone should save water.
Yes, we should save water. Excellent message. Now we have come to another group.
No, other
This is beyond craft. it cannot be explained in words. You have seen many mirrors, but I don't think anyone has seen a mirror like this. Each flower, see the precision. See the precision decorated each inside. Excellent. No words enough. No words enough to explain this one. This is something we can use for decoration in the festive season. Other things are also there. There are some things. Excellent class 3.
Class 4.
Class 4. Sorry, I'm forgetting the classes. Now these are the young ones, class 1. We have come to the group of class 1. You can see here what they have prepared. So you people have prepared this one. What is this?
Spoon.
So all together you have made these things. This is very good. So they are all class 1 students. As you can see, they are very little. Now LKG, UKG, nursery, you may ask for, they are too little. They are extremely little to take part. They have done certain things. They helped in decoration with their teachers. They are part of us. Now I'll go to the next room. Next year we are going to have it in a brown. Candles are brought. No problem. They have demonstrated. This is the replica of a city.
Yes, sir.
A town.
Which use the natural energy, and this is sender sensor where it is shadow, so it will be automatically. When it will be shadow, so it will be automatically off, and when it will be light, so it will be off. Here battery no needed.
So this is the solar power that we have used for this one. Light will fall on this and it will light up the entire town. Is it? Automatically. But when there will be no sun
Yeah.
during the evening, so the electricity that is going to be generated,
Yeah.
hopefully that will be stored in batteries.
Yeah. This is inside our this power house. It depends.
Oh, that power grids are also there inside. Okay.
It depends in our light intensity. If the light intensity is high, it will not glow. And if the light intensity is too much low, it means at night, it will glow.
Put your hand and check.
See that what detailing they have gone through. One helipad, then we have an amusement park, a business tower, maybe a house, a residential house, and hospital is there. And here we have a light sensor. Since the fan is running here, so there is little problem in keeping this light. This is a pinhole camera actually. They are covering this one. So this is a group project, as you can see. You are saying group projects. This is prepared by a group of class 7. This is the group D of class 7. Group D. So thanks for correction. So this is group D. Group A, B and C, they have prepared certain other things. Project cannot be evaluated by the terms that this is good, this is mediocre, like this. A project signifies something that is called unity. They all together did this work. Now hopefully in future these students, these little hands will hold the dignity of our country strongly because they know what is unity. And you can see here also some other things they are prepared. This is class 2. This is class 2. We have prepared this one. The children are standing here. And you will see what they have prepared. They have prepared the house. How I will not disturb the parents. They have prepared certain things like this. How the tree grows. Certain messages are there. Be kind. Here the children, you can see their faces and you can understand how little they are. These are too little. Exam little they are. And now we are in a stall that is organized and arranged by class 5 most probably. One group has come, the remaining 3 more groups are there. They will also come in course of time. So here we go. What you have prepared?
Sir, we have prepared a AC.
AC. They have prepared one AC. Does it work?
Yes, sir. That's
Is it working AC?
Here is
Oh,
the fan.
this is the outdoor unit.
Yes, sir. Here from here, air is coming.
I would not exaggerate, but fact is that true air is coming, and this is cold air.
Yes, sir.
Air is
Cold air.
particularly I don't know how they have made it on it.
Air is coming, sir.
Air is coming here. Excellent, very good.
Thank you, sir.
What? How is it?
The use of it and lights.
What is it? This is a solar system, hopefully? Okay. Can you show me where is Jupiter? That is Jupiter.
Yeah, it is smaller
Then
than
which one
that.
is Saturn? Okay. So this is water filter.
Yes, yes.
So kindly explain.
This is the layers are given this. This is gravel. This is gravel, this is charcoal, this is sand, and this is water. This gravel removes rats, impurities such as insects, leaves, and dirt chunks. And this charcoal improves taste and removes some chemicals such as chlorine. This is sand. Sand also removes some organic matter and clears the water. And this cotton is the final step for the water to be clean and the cotton
You will
traps.
continue. So can I drink it?
No sir, it's not safe to drink and we have to boil. We
Want to boil it further?
Yes, or distillation
Okay, that's good
process.
that you have explained that this is enough to purify it, but for the ultimate purification, you need to boil the water.
Yes.
Because these microscopic germs cannot be removed through these particles. Thank you. Now we'll move to the next one that hopefully it is made by class 7.
This fan turns and it
So-
provides the electricity.
So this is the
So
replica.
this is the kinetic energy. This kinetic energy gets converted into electrical energy, causing the lights to turn on.
Excellent. So it took long time hopefully to make this one. Very, very nice product you have prepared. Okay, congratulations. Now this is class 6, 7. So this is second unit of another project. So your other group members will come in course of time hopefully. Okay. So what is this? Can you tell me?
This is kind of this is kind of solar panel which take if you get this heat, then it will convert into electric energy and give store in this battery. And by this battery you can blow this bulb, and our nation will be also saved, and this all the dust we are throwing here we can use for this project this thing.
And this one?
So this one for burning. If
Oh,
we
we can
want
cook
direct-
also?
Yes, sir.
We can make tandoori out of it, is it? Excellent. Very class 12.
Yes, sir.
Would you like to show us
Yes, sir.
what you are actually making here?
So we have ascorbic acid reaction.
Yes, kindly.
Sir, this is iodine solution.
This is iodine solution.
Yes, and this is vitamin C tablet.
Vitamin C tablet.
Yes, when we'll mix it, it is right now orange, reddish orange color. It will change into colorless.
Okay.
Because NaOH and sugar solution. So this
This
is
once more, kindly repeat
this
it.
is NaOH and it is sugar solution. It is mixed, and this is potassium permanganate. So if you mix here, it will first turn into blue, then green, then yellow.
Excellent. So the color is not coming properly due to the background. Kindly close this window so that color. Excellent. Now it is this is another project. This is by class 10. Could you kindly explain what this project stands for?
This is a smart city with pollution. It absorbs the dust particles or the carbon dioxide gas. Like you can see here the incense stick, which is releasing the carbon dioxide, and it is going inside. And from here we can see pure air is coming out. If these such towers were installed in the smart cities, then we can prevent the air and
So
walks on
you're
the-
saying that from this particular place,
Yes,
we'll
sir.
get the fresh air. Can you get a...
No, sir, this is carbon dioxide gas.
Just have a
This is
look at
toxic gas.
So here you
No,
are saying
sir,
fresh air is coming.
Yes, sir. From here, we are putting the carbon dioxide gas from here, and from it is converting it, and it is coming out from pure air.
ওকে এটা চলে যেটা আগে আপনাদেরকে দেখিয়েছি এবার এটা কিন্তু রীতিমতো আমার মনে হচ্ছে 2-3 আইটেম সেলও হয়ে গেছে সো নাইস থিংস আর মেড এখানে কিছু কেমিক্যাল এক্সপেরিমেন্ট Now we have come to the next event that is prepared. This is some of the class 9 students are here. So they have made.
So sir, this is a laser security system. Let's say when someone comes to your property without your permission, like this,
So if I enter like this,
it will start beeping,
it will stop making noise.
making noise.
So you can see here, as the finger reaches this point, the light hits my finger and immediately it starts beeping.
Yes sir.
So you can install this one in reality around our house.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? Excellent. Now the next model that is prepared for class 9, some of the girls they have prepared this one. Can you kindly explain what is this?
Sure, sir. So this is the visual representation of how pollution is working in the world, and here we can see that's the factory over here, and we can see this is land over here. So the factory is polluting 3 factors of the earth at the same time. First, it is polluting the air. Second of all, it is polluting the water over there, and third of all, it is polluting the land over here. We can see due to the water, the land is also getting decomposed. It is getting in a very bad condition, and people cannot use it for the future. So, and our project is also having an irony that the factories are planting trees by their side, and at the other hand, they are the same ones who are polluting all the natural elements.
So this is a shelter belt that they have prepared. Another side they are polluting at the same time. So kind of oxymoron going on. Now tell me anything that, any suggestion that the factories should implement for a greener energy, for a greener world.
I would first say for these factories, where there are factories present, they should use, like they should plant a lot of trees around so that the air, like the polluted air, like something can be minimized. The pollution of the air can be minimized, and also the factories should use filtration process to filter out the polluted air, polluted water, and we can use that filtered water in the agricultural land and also in household things.
While making this class 2's video, the battery ran down of the camera. So this is making continuation of that same video. As you can see how nicely they have prepared all these things. These are the replica of towns. This is the traffic safety rules. And Swachh Bharat. We have the growing of the seeds into sapling and sapling into tree. And here we have items like rocks, types of rocks. Here we have chalk, slate and marble. Here also we have seen the similar things here too. You can see here also. তো এখানে যেটা বাচ্চারা করেছে হয়তো পুরোটা দেখাতে পারছি না কমপ্লিট করে, কোনো কোনো জায়গায় হয়তো একটু খামতি থেকে যাচ্ছে, কারণ এর আগের ভিডিওগুলোতে কোনো জায়গাতে ভয়েস কথা বলা হয়নি। এটা প্রথম একটা ব্লগ ভিডিও যেখানে আমরা চেষ্টা করছি যতটা সম্ভব তুলে ধরার। ভুলগুলো মার্জনা করে দেবেন অবশ্যই। এবার আমি আপনাদেরকে বাইরে নিয়ে যাই যেখানে আর্ট অ্যান্ড ক্রাফটের সবথেকে বড় স্টলগুলো হয়েছে, হুইচ ক্যান বি পারচেস টু। ইউ ক্যান সি ফ্রম দেয়ার হোয়াট আর দ্য থিংস দে হ্যাভ প্রিপেয়ার্ড। কত সুন্দর ফোমিং সমুদ্র এখানে একটা, আর এখানে রেজিন আর্ট বলছে ওরা এটাকে। এটাতে হোয়াট ইজ দিস অ্যাকচুয়ালি, দিস রেজিন আর্ট, হাউ ইজ প্রিপেয়ার্ড, হাউ ইজ দিস প্রিপেয়ার্ড অভিষিক্তা? Kindly demonstrate that one. Speak louder. Voice will not come to this portion. Louder, please.
First color, then
We applied this resin, and these are all group projects. Hopefully, okay. These are all group projects. Now this is class 5. Am I correct? Yes, this is class 5. Very correct. And earrings of different types, and many other things. Handmade butterflies, flowers, rose it is, and some of the utensils I can see. এগুলো জিনিস রাখার থেকে বড় জিনিস ঘরে এটা সাজিয়ে রাখলেও সুন্দর লাগবে, ঘরের এটা পজিটিভ ভাইব ফর্ম করবে। এত কালারফুল এবং এত সুন্দর ওরা বানিয়েছে এগুলো ক্লে আর্ট, কিন্তু এগুলো নর্মাল ক্লে নয়, এগুলো মানে কতটা হালকা আমি আপনাকে একটা জাস্ট দেখাচ্ছি। দেয়ার ইজ নো ওয়েট এট অল, খুবই হালকা, ভেরি বিউটিফুলি মেড। না চোখে দেখলে বুঝতে পারা যাবে না যে কতটা সুন্দর হাতের কাজ হতে পারে। I'll just check it. See, there is also one paper craft. The drawing of an eye, and some of the paper weights. These are paper weights. These things are actually paper weight. These things are paper weight, as you can see here. So we have come to another part of this decorative item. These are the all bookmarks. Hopefully, these bookmarks. এগুলো বইয়ের মধ্যে রাখা যায়, খুব সুন্দর লাগে দেখতে। It's a very beautiful thing that you prepare. এখানে একটা ডেমনস্ট্রেশন দিয়েছে how will it work. হ্যাঁ, এখানে বাটারফ্লাই ইউজ করেছে ওরা, খুব সুন্দর। এবং এইগুলো ক্লে আর্ট আছে, these are clay art hopefully. And here also one drawing painting that is ভেতরে যতটা সম্ভব আমি যতটুকু জানি সেটা মনে হয় অ্যালুমিনিয়াম ফয়েল ইউজ করছে ভেতরে। Yes, kindly demonstrate that one. How is it made?
We took that aluminum foil and folded, and after that it came to a shape, place it there, and we took a cellophane paper and we draw up the Ganesha.
Lord Ganesha, you have painted. Nice, very nice. Thank you.